Welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to take SS on Windows 11 quickly and easily so you can capture anything on your screen. It only takes a moment. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start button on the taskbar. This opens the main menu where you can find built-in tools. Step 2. Type Snipping Tool in the search bar. It's the default app for taking screenshots with more control. Step 3. Click Snipping Tool from the results. This opens the capture window. Step 4. Click New. This turns on screenshot selection mode. Step 5. Click the mode drop-down at the top. It lets you change how you capture. Step 6. Choose rectangle, freeform, window or full screen. Pick what fits your need. Step 7. Drag the cursor over the area to capture, then release to take the shot. Step 8. Click Save to store the screenshot to your folder. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos.